WordPress 5.3 has just been released. In this quick update, I'll introduce you to the latest features. WordPress 5.3 builds on the recent theme of improvements to the Guttenberg block editor. As its name implies, the all-new group block allows users to create groups of related blocks. This new feature allows users to more easily reposition multiple elements within a page. This will greatly improve your workflow when creating more complex layouts with Guttenberg. The column block has undergone a major overhaul to improve usability. From the moment you insert a new column block, the process of creating multi-column layouts has been improved. The new improved column block presents you with a predefined set of layouts that you customize to meet your needs. WordPress 5.3 also unveils a number of new style options for blocks. It's now possible to change the color of a header block. And many blocks now support default styles. This will streamline your workflow by ensuring that your most used blocks always maintain an appropriate style setting. And because this is the final major WordPress release of 2019, WordPress 5.3 introduces an all-new default theme. The 2020 theme features beautiful typography and a bold sidebar-free layout that supports both wide and full-width blocks. Customizer controls include color settings, five menu locations, and 2 widget areas in the footer. WordPress 5.3 is available today from inside your WordPress admin dashboard. Updated tutorials on all of the latest changes are available in the WordPress Essentials course at wpapprentice.com. WordPress Essentials is the best way to stay current with the rapidly changing world of WordPress. Membership includes lifetime access to the WordPress Essentials course videos, which are, of course, updated for each new version of WordPress. Sign up at WP Apprentice today, and we'll see you inside the member area.